Hey everyone, it's Cal Wayne and let's talk gut health. Are you struggling with digestive issues or feeling sluggish? It might be time to fiber up. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly, prevents constipation, and even feeds the good bacteria in your gut. In this video, we'll dive into 12 simple hacks to boost your fiber intake and promote a healthy gut. The last one will shock you. Let's kickstart our day with a fiber boost. Starting your day with a fiber-rich breakfast can have numerous benefits for your overall health and well-being. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and it can help you feel full and satisfied throughout the morning. Having a fiber-rich breakfast sets the tone for healthy digestion throughout the day. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a steady source of energy. Incorporating fiber into your morning routine is a simple yet effective way to support your gut health. Some delicious and easy options include a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Adding fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or apples can boost the fiber content even more, while nuts provide healthy fats and additional fiber. Another great option is a slice of whole grain toast with avocado. Whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious choice for breakfast. Avocado is not only rich in fiber, but also contains healthy monounsaturated fats that are good for your heart. You can add a sprinkle of seeds or a dash of lemon juice to enhance the flavor and nutritional value. Or, if you prefer something quick and refreshing, try a fruit smoothie with a handful of spinach or kale. Green smoothies are an excellent way to incorporate both fruits and vegetables into your diet. Spinach and kale are high in fiber and packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. Blending them with fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes can create a delicious and fiber-rich drink that will keep you energized throughout the morning. Another fantastic fiber-rich breakfast idea is chia pudding. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. To make chia pudding, simply mix chia seeds with your favorite plant-based milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you can top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a nutritious and satisfying meal. If you enjoy a bit of variety, consider making a breakfast parfait. Layering yogurt, granola, and fruits can create a delightful and fiber-packed breakfast. Choose a high-fiber granola and add a mix of fresh and dried fruits to boost the fiber content. Yogurt provides probiotics that support gut health, making this a well-rounded and delicious option. For those who prefer a savory breakfast, a breakfast burrito can be a great choice. Use a whole grain tortilla and fill it with fiber-rich ingredients like beans, vegetables, and a sprinkle of cheese. Beans are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can aid in digestion and keep you feeling full. Adding vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or tomatoes can increase the fiber and nutrient content even more. Lastly, smoothie bowls are a fun and creative way to enjoy a fiber-rich breakfast. Blend your favorite fruits with a bit of yogurt or plant-based milk to create a thick smoothie base. Then, top it with a variety of fiber-rich ingredients like granola, seeds, nuts, and fresh fruits. Smoothie bowls are not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you satisfied and energized. By starting your day with a fiber-rich breakfast, you can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods into your morning routine can support your digestive health, keep you feeling full, and provide the energy you need to tackle your day. So, why not give these delicious and nutritious breakfast options a try? Your gut will thank you. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite vegetables. Aim to incorporate at least 5 servings of vegetables into your daily diet. Get creative with your meals. Add a handful of spinach to your morning omelet. Snack on carrot sticks and hummus. Enjoy a big salad with grilled chicken for lunch, or roast a medley of colorful vegetables for dinner. When it comes to grains, it's time to make the switch from refined to whole. Refined grains like white bread, white rice, and regular pasta have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients. Instead, opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and pasta. These fiber-rich alternatives not only aid in digestion, but also provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Don't underestimate the power of legumes. These little nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber and protein, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Add lentils to soups and stews, toss chickpeas into salads, or enjoy a hearty bean burrito bowl. Snack attacks happen to the best of us, but instead of reaching for processed snacks, let's choose fiber-rich options that nourish our bodies. Keep a bowl of fresh fruits like apples, bananas, or berries on hand. A handful of nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds are also great choices. You know the importance of staying hydrated, but did you know that water is crucial for fiber to work its magic? Fiber needs water to absorb and add bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also incorporate hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and celery into your diet. Become a fiber detective the next time you're grocery shopping. Pay close attention to the nutrition labels and make a conscious effort to choose foods higher in fiber. Look for the grams of fiber per serving and aim for a variety of fiber sources throughout the day. Don't let fiber-rich foods be boring. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different cooking methods to make them enjoyable. Roast vegetables with herbs and spices, blend spinach into smoothies, or add beans to your favorite dips. Your body is incredibly intelligent and knows what it needs. Pay attention to your body's signals, especially when it comes to digestion. If you're experiencing discomfort, bloating, or irregular bowel movements, you might need to adjust your fiber intake. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying digestive issues or concerns. They can provide personalized advice and help you determine the appropriate fiber intake for your individual needs. If you're struggling to meet your daily fiber requirements through diet alone, consider adding fiber supplements to your routine. However, it's important to start slowly and choose a reputable brand. One of the best ways to ensure you're consistently incorporating enough fiber into your diet is to plan your meals ahead of time. Spend some time each week planning out your meals and snacks, making sure to include plenty of fiber-rich options. So there you have it, 12 simple yet effective fiber hacks to improve your gut health. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can improve your gut health, boost your immune system, and feel your best. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content, and share it with your friends and family. Pause 2S. While it's ideal to get your fiber from whole foods, sometimes life gets in the way, and that's where fiber supplements can come in handy. Pause 1S. Image. A variety of fiber supplements on a shelf. Pause 1S. Fiber supplements can be a convenient way to meet your daily fiber needs, especially if you're struggling to get enough from your diet alone. Pause 1S. However, it's important to choose the right type of supplement and use it correctly. Pause 1S. Video. Person. Adding fiber supplement powder to a glass of water. Pause 1S. There are different types of fiber supplements available, such as psyllium husk, methylcellulose, and inulin. Pause 1S. Each type has its own benefits and can be used to address specific digestive concerns. Pause 1S. For instance, psyllium husk is great for improving regularity, while inulin can help boost beneficial gut bacteria. Pause 1S. Video close-up of a hand holding a capsule of fiber supplement. Pause 1S. When using fiber supplements, start with a small dose and gradually increase it to avoid any digestive discomfort. Pause 1S. Always drink plenty of water to help the fiber move through your digestive system smoothly. Pause 1S. Image. Person drinking a glass of water. Pause 1S. Remember, supplements should not replace whole foods but rather complement your diet. Pause 1S. If you're unsure about which supplement to choose, consult with a healthcare professional. Pause 2S. Video. Smiling nutritionist talking to a patient. Pause 2S. And that's a wrap on fiber supplements. Pause 1S. Use them wisely, and they can be a great addition to your fiber-rich lifestyle. Pause 2S. Image. Happy person holding a fiber supplement bottle. Pause 2S. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and fiber-rich. Pause 2. S. Did you know that fiber can also have a positive impact on your mental health? Pause 1. S. Image. A brain made of fruits and vegetables. Pause 1. S. Research suggests that a high-fiber diet can improve your mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Pause 1. S. Video. Person looking relaxed and happy while reading a book. Pause 1. S. This is because fiber helps to maintain a healthy gut, which in turn supports the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. Pause 1. S. Video. Animation of gut-brain connection. Pause 1. S. Serotonin is often called the feel-good hormone and is crucial for regulating mood. Pause 1. S. By keeping your gut flora balanced, fiber can help ensure that serotonin levels remain optimal. Pause 1. S. Video. Person enjoying a fiber-rich meal with a smile. Pause 1. S. So not only does fiber benefit your physical health, but it also plays a vital role in your mental well-being. Pause 1. S. Next time you reach for a fiber-rich snack, remember that you're nourishing both your body and mind. Pause 2. S. Image. Happy person holding a bowl of mixed fruits and veggies. Pause 2. S. Stay tuned for more tips on living a fiber-rich life. Pause 1. S. Pause 2. S. Let's clear up some common misconceptions about fiber. Pause 1. S. Image. Magnifying glass over the word myths. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Myth number 1. All fibers are created equal. Pause 1. S. Video. Different types of fiber-rich foods. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. The truth is, there are two main types, soluble and insoluble. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes in your body. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps to lower blood cholesterol and glucose levels. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, helps food pass through your digestive system and prevents constipation. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Video. Animation showing soluble and insoluble fibers in action. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Myth number 2. Fiber supplements are just as good as fiber from whole foods. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. While supplements can help, they don't provide the same range of nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals found in whole foods. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Image. Person holding a supplement bottle next to a bowl of fruits and veggies. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Lastly, myth number 3. You can never have too much fiber. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Actually, consuming excessive fiber can cause digestive discomfort and may interfere with nutrient absorption. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Balance is key. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Video. Balanced plate with various fiber-rich foods. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. So, now that we've debunked these myths, you can make more informed choices for a fiber-rich diet. Pause 1. S. Pause 1. S. Stay curious and stay healthy. Pause 2. S.